Life has a new horizon with each day that passes by. I don't care about tomorrow, 'cause right now